I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. Perfect. What's up, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, man. It's called Look Real Different than the last time y'all seen it. I'm over here in the lab with my boy Cortez. He gonna give us a walkthrough of what he did to this 71?
71 Torino.
Yeah, 71 Torino.
Yep, 71 Torino, man. Yeah, so first to do, where y'all at? There y'all, yep, there y'all is. There I am, you know what I'm saying? Sam I am. Back in the motherfucking building, man. I ain't going nowhere, man. I ain't stopped. I keep on grinding. I keep on doing what I'm doing, man. Showing y'all the real deal of everything that's going on here with this, this swap, man. So I really, basically I did this car here for a homie of mine, man, who's basically, it's a barter deal. So dude's cool what he does, man, with floors and stuff. He did my entire upstairs, hardwood floors or whatever else. I did his car. There's more shit gonna do to my house, so it works out for me because I ain't DIY guy. I am, but housework shit, you know, I ain't with all that. Anyways, though, did this for him here, man. It took a I think this 2013 or 2014 Mustang Dash console, front seats, back seats, floor, paint job, door panels, handles, trim, basically every damn thing. If y'all want the ones that have been following along with my videos when I've been posting, y'all seen this raggedy son bitch when it rolled in here. This is a totally different car now, or whatever, looks totally damn different. Yeah. Everything's done with it, man. Customize the heater control switch into the radio panel here, man. Put custom gauges down in here. These are the cheap analog gauges or whatever, but I mean, it works for now until he gets vintage air or whatever else. And all that, man. Glove box is in and working. As y'all can see, everything is good to go. Nothing's janky. You know what I'm saying? Do like Mr. Get in there, she ain't going nowhere. Shake it, you know what I'm saying? One time, dash is good, man. What I did this for, man, is to show you guys that you can do this stuff like this at home and save yourself a lot of damn money. Without having to pay somebody to do this stuff or whatever else. There's no upholstery job done here, so you're already saving like $3,500 on top of that. Y'all seen the videos, man, with the Junkyard Edition seats I got for the front and the back. These came out of a 2015 Fusion. The back seats came out of a 2014 Challenger, but they match the same pattern as the front. The front seats, man, are the front. Driver's side is manual. The passenger side is manual. Driver's side is power. Told y'all how to do the seat belts, man, by taking the modern clip, man, getting it sewed up or whatever else, integrated into your old school clip. Save money on that shit. So, I mean, there's little tiny details, man, to it that saves a lot of money. Let's see. The main thing when you're doing this dash swap, let me grab this right here, man. This is my trim off my money here. But the main thing when you're doing this dash swap, man, is when you measure the distance from your dash, man, is from the tip of your windshield, man, to where This point right here is in your steering wheel for the columns, the inches you want to get is what I put out last time, man. If you're doing it within your car with the windshield in, man, and you don't know how to cut it, get you some trim or use your hood line. Like this hood line, this trim here matches my my Monte Carlo bus, the same as this Torino here, man. You see that curvature? I put on there a distance, it was 9 inches, man. I put it on there, the trim on it, and I basically cut it out, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? No second guessing, no nothing, man. For the vent, which I don't see a lot of cats doing, man, or defrost vents or whatever else. I showed y'all how to do that there. Took the other vent, man, cut it out smaller. You cut it out smaller than the actual part in here. Put it in there, man. You can plastic weld with a plastic welder, man. Plastic bond, Gorilla Glue, whatever you gotta do to get that hold in there, and it's good as flawless. This has not been painted. This has not been primed. This has not been nothing. This is all original shit, and it looks, to me, it looks fucking pretty much factory, man. I like it. Let's see, man. Hopping on the inside of the car here, man. I told y'all cats, man, how to do the for the gauges or whatever. There's several options you can do for the gauges or whatever. We went these right here because they're smaller and cheaper. They're not the 5-inch, $500 gauges, man. These were like, I think, $180 for this whole little setup for the gauges, man. So it's not a bad little deal. They got better options out there too, man. But for the RPMs, the tack, and whatever else, man. For that, sitting here, putting the filler back here, sliding these gauges in, hooking it up to your shit, man. RPM stack or whatever else. For the gauges down here, as you see, they come out, or the power comes on there, or whatever else. The oil, the water temperature, manual shit down there. For the lights hookup, man, integrated in. Y'all see everything here glows up top. That there. The lights in the console glow down here. And then 2 more on the floor there. I should have been done this a while ago, man. But he wants to upgrade to a new harness. I don't know if you can get down there. Well, you can probably get down there, JD. But it's a damn brand new. I don't know if y'all can see that shit in there, man. This is the General Chevy fuse block, man, or whatever else, head to toe wiring harness or whatever down in there. $89 on eBay. The entire car, man, has been rewired. No more of those glass round pieces, man. This is all brand new square pieces, man. Stuff y'all can use in your cars, man. Easy directions, easy to follow. It even works in the Ford. They got Ford diagrams for it, man, and all that. For mounting this dash, though, man, I basically used 3 brackets. One you can see right here where the radio's out in the middle, stabilizes it from here, goes to the frame of the car, that one there. And then on the sides, there's 2 brackets on the side over here and the side over here. And that's all it is to it, man. It's not nothing hard. And of course, this console, man, is bolted down with the original bolt hole bracket down inside of there. And that's it, man. Had to deal with this B&M shifter, making a bracket for this so it's to look okay in here for that. And that's pretty much it, man. I mean, everything else is, I don't know, like, let's say it's easy. You know what I'm saying? It's not, I mean, it's easy, but it's not easy. At the same time, though, man, it's common shit. This is like the 3rd or 4th dash I've done. I've done a Charger one. I've done a Ford Mustang one. Well, this almost same setup in my damn car, but this Ford and Chevy didn't mix out. Charger one in my car, the Camaro one in my car, and now this one here. Column fill. Another big key, man. The cats are doing and ain't filling this shit in, man, and making shit look fucked up. It's basically combining the original bottom part and filling this hole in right here. With that, the column fill CNC on the wires, everything else exposed, man. It's just being creative, man, on how to do that shit. This was made with another, I think this little column piece here came off like an 87 Buick Century or whatever to cover this gauge or this part here. This is original Mustang console column thing that held on to it, plastic bonded to here, and texturized it, painted it, and good to go with that, man. Yeah. Other than that, cleaned up all the door panels, man, redying them, painting them, fixing all the trim, putting stuff on there, and basically making it happen, you know what I'm saying? But as y'all can see now, man, I'm excited about it, man, because how it was before and how it is now, you know what I'm saying? Now my girl got a girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? My girl got a girlfriend now, you know what I mean? So it's all good, man. I'm happy, man. So, other than that, yeah. I'm still grinding, man, still knocking out. Oh, the paint. Talk about the paint. Y'all knew the car came in primered, just basic primer. Primer had been sitting for like a year and a half, man. This is not an excellent paint job or whatever else. Not some of my best work, but it's work though. It can be done in the garage at home by yourself. And that's what I want y'all to know, man. The only thing I used, man, was this 30-gallon compressor here. You can use a 21-gallon one Harbor Freight or a 20-gallon Harbor Freight. It takes a little longer, but a 30-gallon compressor, man. And the Harbor Freight special purple gun, or you can use the upgraded version Spectrum 1.3 tip spray gun or whatever else. And oh yeah. If y'all don't know about the Grant 7 paint and coatings, you best wake up. Coming soon. Enough on that. Anyway.
Code LSCR10 for 10% off your Oh My Clear.
You better get on it. Y'all quit sleeping and wake up. Grant 7 paint and coatings. But this is a single stage paint job, man. Clear's already mixed in with it or whatever. 1K primer was applied to it. It actually needed 2K on it. And this is shot right here in my garage, man. Y'all see the paint drizzle on my floor or whatever, man. Just that with that, man. It could be better, man. I need to upgrade my lights. Do a lot more with that and go on that. But I mean, hell, you know what I'm saying? This paint job, man, is under $200, man, for a paint job in your garage. You know what I'm saying? So it can be done, brother. It can be done. There's a couple of runs. There's a couple of bad spots from reaction from the old other primer you had on here, man. But other than that, it's not bad. Let me get the keys, man. Pop the trunk. I'll show you what's going on in there. And as y'all seen, man, the body work was done all in here. All this shit here was rusted out, man, all the way around. Look at them shits. Rusted all the way around, man. Whatever, but that's all been done, man. Sprayed on the inside of it, man, or whatever. And
the gas tank was right there.
Yeah, and then that gas tank, man, I think it's upside down, brother. I don't know what's going on with this shit, man, but the baffle is this way. The pump is on the bottom of the tank facing up, which is weird as hell. And I can't get, there's no ground wire. There's a power wire, there's no ground wire. So I ordered a Ford diagram. It should be in the mail today to figure out that shit and whatever else, man. Ford, man, weird Ford shit.
It do look like it's upside down.
Yeah, but that's a whole new can of worms, man. We ain't talking about the Ford shit right now because this is bullshit. Like, this is the power wire. I don't know where the fuck the ground wire is at, and the float unit is mounted underneath the car going up, which is weird as shit to me. So I'm glad another car enthusiast has pointed that shit out because this has been wrecking my brain for days. But I ordered the stupid ass wire diagram off of eBay. It should be in today. It's like $25 for a coded wire diagram. So I'm gonna figure it the fuck out. But yeah.
Guess if it works, it works.
So right now it ain't working. Right now it's not working. That's what I'm saying. It never worked and it ain't working. I'm thinking this motherfucker is upside down. Yeah. He said he had a new tank put in, but who did this shit? You know what I'm saying? And why the fuck is this baffle on the top? Anywho.
See, this is what happens when you go to people that don't know what the hell they doing. They put the tank in.
So I'm a little bit confused right now. I'm a little bit confused, a little bit.
Well, he drove it in upside down, didn't he?
He drove this motherfucker in here, but the gauge ain't never worked when you brought it in here.
Oh, okay.
And now with the new gauge up, it ain't working. I did a continuity check on my gauge. I put it here, new one. That motherfucker works. It gets power and ground. When I hook it to this right here, it's only got one wire, the power wire. Underneath the car, upside down pump, there's no ground wire. So how the fuck is this motherfucker? How is the SIM unit grounded?
Right. I mean, it could be out there off the rim of it, but I'm not sure.
I don't know either, brother. Like I said, that high speed diagram's coming in today, so we won't find out about that shit. I don't fucking know. It's Ford, man. Whatever. As you can see, man, the wire harness, the new one I put in, man, it's loomed all the way through. This goes to a dome or a trunk light. You might get put in, I don't know, and then whatever for that, man. But this is the sheet for the instructions, man. As you can see, it's easy to follow, man. It's got diagrams, man, for GMs, diagrams for Fords, diagrams for Mopar, man. $89, man, head to toe. Wire harness on eBay. So if y'all have problems with, man, with shit popping, blowing, or whatever else, man, jump on that. Easy to follow, all color coordinated, man. No problem. Easy if you got a Ford or a GM. If you got a Ford, not easy. All right, Chevys, Too easy, man. I've done it. I got the same wire harness in my whip over here, so it's good to go, man. Shit, what else you want to know, man?
Like that's it in a nutshell. A lot of viewers ain't seen it when it first came in. Man, it's a night and day difference. You know what I'm saying? First it was the interior. You know what I'm saying? And then it came back perfect. Spraying with that black. It's real good.
Like I said,
4-4.
4-4. You know what I'm saying?
4-4. It looks real good.
It could be redone, man, with a sand and shot again, man. Another coat on here, man. Throw some of these imperfections in here, man. And then hit with the Oh My Clear, but I don't feel she deserves the Oh My Clear on there, so we ain't gonna get to that today. But yeah, it could be reshot again, man. And fill some of this stuff in or whatever. But you know what I'm saying? This is basically a solid I did for him, man, for helping me out on my stuff. And it's future basically, so it's all good. But yeah, other than that, man, everything else is good to go.
So you seen it here first, exclusive. So you want to know. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Somebody else might be interested. Let's let you know that there is power in the DIY. You can do this stuff in your garage. If you're willing to put in the work. If you're willing to put in the work.
Most definitely, that's what it's all about. I mean, like I said, man, I'm not a painter, I'm not a body guy, I'm not or whatever, man. Most stuff I learned, man, was off of watching YouTube videos or whatever else, man. 9-10, this is what I learned on how to do this right here, man. Was watching Sprayways videos, Farways videos, Tweezy's videos, a bunch of these cats out here, man, and doing it. Some of these cats do step by step, man, so you can't go fucking wrong. I mean, it's too easy to monkey see, monkey do type of shit, man. That's pretty much all it is to it, man. Or whatever. I do this as my side hobbies now, or whatever else and stuff. It ain't for money, it ain't for this, it ain't for that.
Yeah.
Basically, you know what I'm saying? Just watch your stuff, man, and make it happen. But it can be freaking done, man. It's not hard to do. You know what I'm saying? You can take your shit down, Mako, and they can do the same damn thing, man, for 3,500. It's gonna look a little bit more shinier. You know, because they're going to put a little bit of extra clear in there or whatever else in the paint, the base, but whatever. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. But she needs to go. My baby can get over here and get upgrades done too. You know, we got a lot of future things coming on here. New transmission to install. Disc-inspired motors, man. A brake upgrade. All kind of new filters, new stuff. Just parts. I got parts everywhere, man. Parts over here, parts over there, parts under there, training over there. It's all kind of great, man. But baby here, man. She needs to get over here, man.
Shout out to Grade 7. Remember, use that code LSCR10 for your 10% off.
And then also, man, don't forget, man, identify your weakness, man, make it your strength. You know what I'm saying? Life's all about choices, man, choose wisely. You know, all that stuff, man.
Already done.
That's what it's all about, man. You know what I'm saying? Support your YouTube people, man.
I ain't even got to sign off. That's official. Hustle don't stop. Grind don't stop. Go on.